Assalamualaikum and a very good day to Doctor. I am FADZILA ELYANA binti ARIFFIN, metric number 284478. I will present about the public bank mission, vision and objective. Public bank vision is a bank for the people. Public bank mission is to sustain the position of being the most efficient, profitable and respected premier financial institution in Malaysia. And public bank objective for its customers is by providing the most courteous and efficient service in every aspect of its business, for its shareholders by generating profit and a fair return on their investment, for its employees by promoting good staff morale through proper staff training, development and provision of opportunities for the career advancement, and for community itself is by assuming as its role as a socially responsible corporate citizen in a tangible manner. Next, I will present about the pastel analysis. The first is political. The government is able to change the state of the banking sector whereby intervening can be done easily, thus it causing the business to be highly susceptible to political influence. Bank business institutions are actually susceptible to government changes, whether in decision or law's perspective, even though a bank may seem as a powerful institution. Next, economic. The economic conditions or economic cycle are a key factor in determining the sustainability of the banking industry. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, this directly affect the income of public bank Berhad because of increase in non-performing loan, which mean delinquencies in payment. Next is socials. Consumers are ditching from using cash or plastic cards as a payment method for convenience and safer way to make payments like using e-wallets or QR payments directly from the phone. Consumers are evolving from time to time, so they no longer have banks product and services as the only options to make payment.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day, Doctor. My name is Khairul Radzi bin YUSOF and my metric number is 280156. Next, I'm going to present the next pastel analysis components. The third one is technology. The bank industry is poised for a paradigm-shifting future driven by rapid technological developments. As a prominent participant in this ever-changing environment, the banking industry can utilize this breakthrough to achieve substantial expansion and transformation. Next is legal. Banking industry need to comply with certain legal laws and obligations to continuously operate. Certain laws such as employee legislations, consumer protection, healthy and public safety, and local trade and restrictions may impact the way of how banks operate. By complying and keeping up with the laws and regulations prepared by the government, a public bank can ensure that it stays in good standing with regulatory bodies and build customer trust. Last but not least is the environment. The increasing focus on environmental awareness and corporate social responsibility necessitates that the bank synchronize its operation with worldwide sustainability objective. Incorporating eco-friendly programs into the bank's operation not only benefits the society, but it also enhances the bank's reputation among stakeholders as a responsible and progressive financial company.
Now I will present the strengths of the public bank. The strengths are internal positive assessment that will help an organization perform well and achieve its goals. So the strength of the public bank is that the public bank asset size is ranked banks 3 in Malaysia. Asset size is important for banks because when a bank fell in the situation of bankrupt or financial crisis, it can sell its asset to get money to turn over. Now, moreover, public bank has a record trend of profitability that has not been unpropped unique now. This makes public bank has a stable profit every year. Lastly, public bank is brave to face every challenge. This is because the public bank has repressed leaders and reacted immediately during the pandemic COVID-19 to ensure banking operations to all critical functions remains operation. Public bank has offers a long monitoring rules between April and September 2020. Next is weakness of the public bank. Weakness are the internal negative assessment that will affect and restant an organization's performance. The weakness of the public bank is more focused on Asian country because it will limit its customer. The public bank can reduce the percent of international transfer fees of accelerate the days need to the international transfer. For example, the percentage of public bank perhaps in the international transfer fee is 1.5% to 50% or more, and the percentage of transfer fee well monitored is 0.3% to 2%. Next, the proper guidance of the public bank is less, so the public bank cannot attract the attention of customers. For example, the public bank can advise the information in social media or television.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad AZLAN, matric number 280274. Today I will explain about the opportunities of the public bank Berhad. So the first one is expansion to the new market. By using its capabilities, public bank can pursue strategic acquisitions or collaborations to broaden its international reach. And then the second one is digital banking expansion. By capitalizing on the growing demand for digital banking, public bank can improve its online and mobile banking capabilities. And the last point is growing Islamic banking sector. Public bank can capitalize on the growing Islamic banking industry by extending its Sharia compliant product line. Next, for the threats is intensifying competition. Public bank competes with both traditional banks and rising fintech competitors, putting pressure on profitability and market share. Next is regulatory changes. As rules and compliance standards evolve, the bank's operational expenses and complexity can increase. And the next one is cybersecurity threats. Data breach and cyber attacks jeopardize the bank's security and consumer trust. That's all. Thank you.
Good day, Doctor. I'm Khairul matric number 293886. Would like to talk about Memo 2. Marketing objective of public bank. The marketing objective of public bank is increase its sustainable business targets for FY 2025 from 5 billion to 10 billion. The bank also has declared a 20% off goal for reducing GHG emissions by FY 2027 in comparison to the baseline for FY 2020 for both Scope 1 and Scope 2 GHG emissions. Next, marketing strategy of public bank. The main component of the marketing strategy is STP, which are segmentation process, targeting process, and also positioning process. The first one is segmentation. Segmentation refers digital touchpoint occur when a customer interacts with a brand via an online platform, either directly or indirectly, like phones, mobile apps, websites, direct marketing mailers, and any other offline or online medium can be used for this type of connection. The banking industry benefits from the digital touchpoints since they are connected, reach a large audience, and entice new clients to test the bank's goods and services.
Okay, hello. Good day, doctor. My name is KELVIN Raj, matrix number 282606. Now I'm gonna talk about the targeting process. Public bank Berhad targets market using several characteristics. Variables include market size, growth potential, competition, and bank ambitions. Public bank Berhad creates detailed buyer personas for targeting market to understand its consumers. Profile describe their needs, preference, difficulties, and activities. Public bank Berhad values competitive analysis. They may assess their target market, competitors' strengths, and shortcomings. This data influence the bank's market differentiation and competitive advantage strategies. Okay, now looking onto the positioning process. Public bank Berhad knows customers' priority is vital. Customer needs and satisfaction are their top priority. Their tagline, "The bank for all," shows their dedication to serving Malaysian diverse requirements. Trustworthiness and dependability are crucial in banking, and Public bank Berhad excel in this area. Their financial soundness and history of stability encourage customer confidence. They prioritize trust and reliability in whatever they do. Public bank Berhad offers a broad variety of financial service. To meet varied financial needs, they provide personal banking, commercial banking, asset management, and insurance. They provide complete financial services.
So now I'll be explaining about marketing mix for P's of public bank. The first P is product. Product is the goods or services that public bank provides to its customers. Public bank products consist of deposits such as saving account, current account, and fixed deposit account. And they also provide various loans such as house loan and car loan. Debit card and credit card is their well-known products. Lastly, public bank also provides financial advice services, investment products, and insure products. The next P is price. Price is the amount of money that people are willing to pay for a product or service. Example of price is loan interest rate of 6.72% per annum annum. This interest rate is the price that borrowers should pay to public bank if they wish to borrow money from the bank. The next example of price is public bank offers 2.50% return of fixed deposit for 1 month tenure, and the rate increases as the month increases. This rate is a price that public bank has to pay to its depositors, since that money will be considered lending to public bank, so public bank can use that money to generate loans. For the next P is promotion. Promotion is activities and communication tactics used to promote and raise awareness about bank product. There are lots of promotion advertised at public bank's official website. For example, credit card promotion, enjoy 0% with PB Visa FlexiPay. Other public bank's promotion is shop at Watson and win prizes. This kind of promotions will attract customers to use public bank's products and services. The last P is for place. Place refers to the distribution methods and venues from which customers can access and purchase the goods. Currently, there are 264 branches of public bank. Hence, customers can easily purchase any products or services by visiting the nearest public bank branch. Other than that, public bank also carry out their operations online through their official website and mobile banking app. Therefore, customers can make transactions and using public bank services anytime and anywhere by simply using their smartphone or any devices. Lastly, with the existence of ATMs everywhere, especially at crowded places, customers who prefer to carry cash around can conveniently draw some cash from their bank account through nearby ATMs.
Hi, Assalamualaikum and very good day to everyone. So my name is Muhammad Faiz, matric numbers 28162. So I will continue this presentation about the digital marketing from 4 P's to 4 C's. As we know, in this digital age, traditional banking strategies are evolving, and public bank is leading the charge with a customer-centric approach. So let's explore how they are shifting their focus from products to people, redefining value beyond price, and building a seamless online experience for their diverse customer base. For the first one, which is shifting products from product to customer. As we know, in this world of banking, products like loan packages and investments options help the spotlights. Public bank now focus on understanding its customer unique needs and aspirations. Whether you are a young professional, a family planning, or retire seeking, public bank has your back. For an example, public bank could launch Future Builders, which is targeted online account with a higher interest rate for young adults saving for their first home. So, this public bank can tailor its digital offerings to resonate with specific customer segments. Next, we go to number 2, which is redefining value from price to cost. Price is important, but in this digital world, cost matters more. Customers are savvy and compare fees and charge across platforms in a blink. Public bank understand this and ensure its online services are not just competitively priced, but offer tangible values that justify the cost. For example, by introducing free digital bill payments or waiving transaction fees for online transactions. This will create perceived value for its customers, making them feel like they're getting more for their money. So, in this digital marketing shows that public bank prioritizing convenience and building trust through their communication tools. So that's all for me. I will pass to next presenter. Thank you.
Number 3, prioritizing is from place to convenience. Physical branches offers access and convenience, but in the digital age, convenience reaches supreme. Customer demand is seamless, 24 hours access to their finance from anywhere, anytime. Public bank digital platform need to be intuitive, user-friendly, and accessible across devices. A laggy mobile app or a website riddled with confusing menus can spell disaster in the digital landscape. For example, integrating biometric logins, chatbot support, and intuitive navigation can revolutionize the user experience. Offering online appointment booking for physical visits further adds to be convenient factor. And for number 4, building trust from promotion to communication. Traditional marketing was all about bombarding customer with message. Digital communication, however, thrives on trust and engagement. Public bank needs to go beyond generate promotional ads and move toward two ways conversation, social media platform, interactive blog, and personalized email campaigns provide avenues for open communication and building genuine relationship with customers. For example, hosting online financial workshop, engaging in Q&A session on social media, and responding promptly to customer inquiries foster trust and demonstrate expertise. This foster in this fosters a sense of community and makes public bank more than just a bank. It becomes a reliable financial partner.
For the memos part 2, content marketing and evaluation, I would like to talk about the first 4 steps of content marketing and evaluation. As for the first step, it's goal setting. Goal setting basically means that a company should align their goals according to their objectives. As for Public Bank Berhad, they have several objectives for different segments, such as for employees, for stockholders, for customers, and for the community they serve. There's 2 types of goal settings, which is brand related goals and another one is sales related goals. Since Public Bank Berhad is well known, they focus more on sales related goals. The next step is audience mapping. Audience mapping is literally targeting an audience to create contents for. Well, there's 4 types of audience parameters: geographical, demographical, psychological, and also behavioral. As for Public Bank Berhad, they focus on more geographical. Therefore, they have different Instagram accounts and other social media accounts for a specific country. For example, they have Public Bank Berhad Cambodia, Public Bank Berhad Myanmar. Wherever they have their branches at, they have a separate accounts for, so that they can easily customize their contents for that particular country. Third step is content ideation and planning. As for Public Bank Berhad, they choose contents that has clear relevance for their customers' lifestyle instead of letting people know about their brand intentions. This is because they can create more engagement towards their customers. For example, Public Bank Berhad posts festival posters on Christmas, Deepavali, and even Chinese New Year's. Not only that, they also post current issues such as scams, fraudulence that is currently happening in financial industry. Step number 4 would be content creation. Public Bank Berhad focused on more indirect episodic contents. For example, recently for Christmas, they posted a poster wishing a Merry Christmas to their customers, and then followed by a new campaign that was created for Christmas. And lastly, they posted about the current issue about scams during festival seasons to create more awareness for their customers. So this is how Public Bank Berhad is showing their consistency and always updated with their current issues. So that's all from me. I would like to pass to Amir to continue with our presentation.
Hello everyone, my name is Amir. So let's continue with content marketing and evaluation. Here the 5th point is content distribution. We have to utilize various channels, websites, social media and email and newsletter to help us to ensure consistency in content distribution to align with the key message and brand identity. The next one is content amplification. This point highlight that we have to invest in paid social media advertising and at the same time promote key blog posts through sponsored content to diversify strategies for comprehensive outreach. The 7th point is content marketing evaluation. We have to set KPIs either in webs to reach out the website traffic, social media engagement, and this can lead us to conversion rate. It's important to help us improving our marketing strategies. At the same time, we can use analytic tools such as Google Analytics and social media insight. This can gather feedback or comments for qualitative insight. So the last point is content marketing improvement. For content marketing improvement, this can help us to regular content audits to assess relevant and effectiveness. At the same time, this regular team reviews and knowledge sharing session can help us to continuous strategy improvement. That's all from me.